Welcome to this tutorial. It's like a pleasure to be with you again. Now, I want you to please watch this picture. Wow. There are a lot of different birds. In this picture, you can see that they have different colors. They have different places where they live. But all of them, have something in common. All of them are bears. Today our end in mind is learn and practice the vocabulary words of the topic. That's the end in mind. Now let's go with the topic. How do birds fly? Well, people have always been interested in how birds fly. For centuries, people have tried to build wings and soar through the air. But there's a lot more to flying than just having a pair of wings. And we are going to learn about how birds fly. Let's go with the vocabulary word number 1. Adaptations. Those are the changes to an animal's body that help it survive. In other words, we're going to be talking about the body parts that help birds to fly. Those are adaptations. Next one, drag is the force of air pushing against a flying animal or object. And here in this picture, we have the symbol of drag. Next one, lift is the air pressure under a flying animal or object that lifts it higher. So it provides for the birds to be in high altitudes. Next one, the thrust is the forward movement by a flying animal or object. It's like in the same address. Next one, the thermal current. There is a column of warm, rising air. So now the activity that you are going to be working is number 1, you're going to watch the tutorial and copy the words with their definition and illustrate them. Every single word you need to copy on your notebook. Don't forget to write the date and the title. And also, after finishing the first activity, you're going to illustrate 10 different birds and write their names. So that's all for today. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.